What sort of things should I look for in a safe play area outside for my kids?
Well, I'm glad you're making safety a focus here because thousands of children are injured every year on home playground equipment, so you need to make sure you include a few safety features. Certainly, you don't want to set up a play structure over any concrete, but keep in mind that grass will lose its ability to cushion a fall through normal wear and erosion, so you should have at least 12 inches of mulch or sand all the way around the equipment. You also want to check for any dangerous hardware like open S-hooks or any type of protruding bolt-in. And be sure that any elevated surfaces have guardrails to prevent falls, and make sure those guardrails or ladder rung openings are either less than 3.5 inches wide or more than 9 inches to keep your child from being trapped. And check for any sharp points or edges in the equipment. Now look out for any tripping hazards like tree stumps, roots, and rocks. And finally, always keep an eye on those kids.